How do we start this video, Francois? How do we start this video? I'm just having the best time of my life right now. I don't want to focus on making a video. I just want to be, you know? This has to be epic. How do we start this video? I think we should just start it. Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. This video is gonna be something special because we are at my absolute favorite place here in Taiwan. We are down in QIKONG right now. Me and Francois here are currently walking at Baishawan. And don't get me wrong, this beach is epic and we're gonna come back to this beach later in this video. But what many foreigners and I think even Taiwanese people don't know about QIKONG is that there's so much more to do here than beaches, which is what we're gonna focus on in today's video. So stay tuned and I'm gonna show you my top list of things to do in QIKONG, and we're gonna get started right away because there's so much to show you. When you think you've seen everything, it's fire from the ground. Natural gases, some chemistry, science stuff going on, fire. There is way too big of a snake in this little tree here, but we realized it too late. We just passed it like, I don't know, 20 centimeters away.
Wow, look at that!
No.
Look at this huge spider, like it's the biggest spider I have ever seen. Seriously.
We just passed the huge lizard. Like, the huge lizard is like right there, or snake or whatever, right there. And here there's like a huge spider. And now I hear something else too. This is not okay. We saw a sign that said warning for pretty much everything, but this is getting a little out of control right now. We're on the way to a place called the Kissing Rocks. We're gonna check it out and then see if we find a way out from this park because we're a little bit lost right now. Okay, I just want to take a second here and explain the smoke that you see in the background. Because when we were actually in the park shooting here, there was a fire very close to the lighthouse. And we actually made a separate video about this from inside the park. Because as this was happening, we were talking to news media and news magazines on Facebook. And they wanted a video about this, and then the drone was already up flying at this point. So as soon as the drone landed, I took the transit memory card and we got the footage into my phone, and I sat in the park editing, trying to get it out as soon as possible. And we had everything done, it was edited, it was up on YouTube 20 minutes after the drone landed. But the short version is that you don't have to worry at all. The fire department was there within minutes, no one got injured, everyone survived. Everything was under control, super fast. The only thing you have to worry about right now is to continue watching this video and see which amazing spots in Kenting you have missed throughout the years. Okay, we are way behind schedule right now. We have a bunch of stuff to explore today. It's already way too late. That forest fire took up way too much time. But what can you do? So we're gonna jump back on the scooters again and continue this Kenting tour. The most southern part of Taiwan. I have now officially made videos all over Taiwan from Fuguijian, which is the light, I think that's the name, which is the lighthouse up in the most northern part of Taiwan. And now behind me here you see the most southern part. So officially videos all over Taiwan. And that is Taiwan's most southern guitarist right now. Where are we now? What was the name?
Kenting National Forest.
So we made a little detour and we ended up here in Kenting Park Recreational.
So it's a Kenting Recreational Forest area. No, it's not that. Kenting National Forest. Kenting National Forest Recreation Area. So we are now in Kenting National Forest Recreation Area.
Yes! And we're gonna show you around and everything like that, but it took us. We started to say the name over there. We just got it right. We're here. I'm putting the name here. It might take up the entire bottom of the screen here because it's ridiculously long. And for all of you who's watching this from Taiwan, you should definitely check out Francois's channel. He will cover all of this in Chinese as well.
Kenting 国家森林游乐区 Kenting 国家森林游乐区 Kenting 国家森林游乐区 OK Kenting 国家公园没有游乐区 Kenting 国家公园游乐区 Kenting 国家森林 Kenting 国家森林游乐区 Did I say that? 所以我们现在在 Kenting 国家森林游乐区 Yes.
So once you've spent the first 10 minutes trying to learn the name of this place, it's super beautiful. They have parks everywhere. This is so cool. They have so many different areas in this park. Like we just walk straight and the surroundings just change around us here. So cool. Now we're in this tropical rainforest area.
Kenting 国家森林游乐区
We're in this, I mean, I'm gonna say jungle. It's super tropical rainforest vibes, but 15 minutes on a scooter and we're down at the beach again. This is why Kenting is my absolute favorite place in Taiwan. It has everything, not only the beaches. It's 15 minutes away with a scooter. And then I know once we're done here, we're gonna jump back on the scooter, head over to a waterfall, then back down to the beach again. And we're just having the best vacation possible right now. And they also have monkeys up in the trees here. This is just unbelievable. This is so cool. You have the beaches, you have the scooters, you have the waterfalls, you have monkeys, rainforest. I know it's not a rainforest, but I'm gonna call it the rainforest. And just this amazing atmosphere right now. Okay, so we're done with the monkeys. We're gonna continue walking around in this park for a while. And they do have plenty of caves, which is at least some of the main attractions. They should put monkeys on here. We have a map with all the attractions. Nowhere does it say that they have monkeys here. Kenting National Recreational Park 公园. Put that in the maps. I think a lot more people will come here then. But now over to the caves. I believe it's monkeys everywhere. This is so cool. I believe this is called the Fairy Cave, which we're gonna check out right now. We've never been here before, so I'm not really sure how dark it's gonna be, but hopefully we can still record some. Oh my god, this is so cool. It's actually very well lit and they have lights, and it's just so cool. Look at this. Look at this. I've been to Kenting so many times, but I've only been for like a normal 2-day weekend. So we've only been at the beach, like all ignorant foreigners. But this is so cool. To everyone that ever comes down to Kenting, I don't care if you're an exchange student, if you're a foreigner, or if you're a local Taiwanese, definitely check out the Kenting recreational this place and the cave. This is so cool. This is so cool. Cannot be tall and walk here.
For me, it's okay.
So this is very tight. We made it. Even the kids are having some difficulties here. Yeah, you heard. 这个外国人太高了. That is true. That is true. We're gonna try this. It's very tight, but it's possible, I think. Oh. Shit. Okay, we're gonna climb back up from this little cave. Oh, my back. And whoa. It's okay. Zigzag and the Seeker, they're built for tough stuff like this. We're gonna jump back on those scooters and head to the waterfall. So it's 10 minutes of hiking from the scooter parking, but what they didn't tell us is that it's ropes as well. But after a quick hike up these ropes, you'll be at the waterfall and be very well rewarded. If only we would have brought swimming shorts right now. If you watched the entire video, please also take the time and subscribe to this channel, because we're gonna be doing a lot more exciting adventures just like this one.